Sometimes you got a commercial job that's just terrible. For that, we've got CTI's Firestorm. Stick around and I'll tell you about it. Well, as no doubt you know already, we're all about release it and encapsulation here at Excellent Supply. So why am I talking about Firestorm? Firestorm is a hot water extraction pre-spray, and it is just as the name implies. It's a firestorm. It has a pH of 13, and sometimes carpets are just so badly trashed that you need something with major firepower, and that's where Firestorm comes in. Now this is a newer version. They had the original Firestorm and then they came out with version 2. That's what we sell. And I gotta say, this really stands in a class by itself, and that's why we specifically chose this product here at Excellent Supply, because when you need something really powerful, Firestorm comes through. Like I say, it's pH 13, mixes at 2 ounces per gallon. It is a super hot pre-spray. So you would go in and pre-spray and obviously hot water extract. You're not going to leave that in the carpet. You need to rinse this out as thoroughly as possible. But where it can be particularly helpful is to get a really horrible carpet back into condition. You can use a product like this. It's just going to move the soil out of there and then get it into a regular routine of good encapsulation afterwards. So in other words, get the carpet cleaned up, get the crud out of there, unload the carpet, and you may need a big hammer like this, and that's what this is. You know, the expression "get a bigger hammer," that's what Firestorm is. It's the biggest hammer you're probably ever going to find. So when it comes to greasy, grungy, really soil-laden carpets, we highly recommend Firestorm by CTI as a good option for getting all of that buildup out of the carpet. And then, like I mentioned, go ahead and throw it into a good commercial program of maintenance using a good end cap program with Release It, and you're going to have a situation under control very nicely. Now, you may get some wicking when you're dealing with that level of soil and commercial glue down carpet particularly, so you may want to come back just after the carpet's been cleaned using Firestorm and hot water extraction. For example, if you went in one day, might come back the following day and do a post end cap cleaning or a post bonnet cleaning with an end cap product. What happens by going in after the carpet's dry and after any wicking might have occurred, it works really well to come back and hit it with a good post end cap cleaning process, that 2-step process, and of course bill the customer accordingly. But that second visit will bring the carpet into good condition and eliminate any problems that you might have had with wicking that comes up as the carpet's drying. And when you've got a carpet that's been completely abused and neglected, it's quite possible that you're going to see some wicking. So a post end cap cleaning following a heavy duty restoration cleaning with a product like Firestorm, that 2-step approach works really well. That's a popular way to get a really trashed carpet back in good condition again. And then once you get it set up in a good commercial maintenance program using a good encapsulation product like Release It, you've got a home run. You've got something that you can then maintain. So good to keep in mind, Firestorm is very useful for those jobs where you've really got just a hammered carpet. Don't use it on soil resistant carpet. Do not use it on wool. Don't use it on anything that you might damage, because at pH 13, that's very hot. But you're not likely to find a bigger hammer when it comes to cleaning up the mess that's in a carpet. So hopefully that will help you in your commercial carpet cleaning endeavors. One more way that we're trying to help you max your end cap here at Excellent Supply to get the best out of your cleaning. If we can help you in any way, please let us know. Also, please hit your like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll put a link to Firestorm in the description below as well. Thanks for watching this episode of NCAP TV.